name is Gemma Vance. I'm a professor of management at the University of Cincinnati Lindner College of Business. This class is an international business class and has a focus on the economy of Chile. One of the goals of the university is that our students become citizens of the world. So we want to encourage them to take opportunities like study abroad.
Our program is a study abroad. It applies kind of with my major. So for the major, we have a set group of electives that we can take. There are the choices for 3 different study abroads, and I chose Chile. So what we're doing is we're analyzing and learning about the business culture within Chile and how it's been stable for so long, even though most Latin American and South American economies had like a up and down, so they fluctuate. So we're just going to company visits and then taking lectures at the university.
The campus here is really nice, but what we're doing here is we're basically doing business in Chile. We're learning about the different companies that came here. We visited ASOX, we learned about the wine in Chile, we went to a vineyard. So just learning a lot about the culture, like what the economy is based off of, like the salmon, the mines, all that good stuff.
There are many reasons why the University of Cincinnati has been working with UDD for 18 years. They deliver excellent programming with in-country support. They are able to provide academic lectures in English in a beautiful campus located in a safe area of Santiago. They also have contacts with top companies for visits and are committed to internationalization.
I enjoyed it. I thought I've never really gotten any experience like that before in America. I highly invite every single person to come to Chile, to study abroad, and just experience the city, because you will learn so much about yourself. You will learn so much about the city that you never knew. You get very in-depth experience into their business, into their culture, into their food. They're all so fun. I would go there again. Come to Chile.
UDD is a very strong partner, and we look forward to many more years of working together.